Now student, we will do our textbook work. So take out your textbook and it's page number 31. Students, in our page number 31, we will do our vocabulary work. Look at these words pairs: big, small, old, new. These word pairs are opposites. This is big. It is small. Look student, this is big, this is small. Okay? Look student, it is old car and it is new car. It is old press and it is new type press. It is old lamp and it is new lamp. Now student, complete these sentences with the opposites of the words in color. Use the correct words from the box. Here are some words in this box like narrow, slow, open, easy or empty. Students, we will complete our sentences by the opposite of these color words. Now first one has been done for you. Look at number 1. The jar was full of chocolates yesterday. Today it is empty. Full means bhara and its opposite is empty means khali. Yesterday the jar was full of chocolates, but now today it is empty. Now look at number 2 sentence. The main road is very wide. Means जो मुख्य सड़क है वो बहुत चौड़ी है. The street that we live on is narrow. The opposite of wide is narrow. Wide means चौड़ा and narrow means संकीर्ण या फिर पतला रास्ता. Now look at it. Sentence number 3. I wish this game was not so difficult. I wish it was dash easy. So the opposite of difficult is easy. Difficult means kathin and easy means saral. Now look at it. Sentence number 4. The door is shut, but the windows are open. So the opposite of shut is open. Shut means बंद होना and open means खुला होना. Now look at sentence number 5. A cheetah can run very fast. एक चीता बहुत तेज दौड़ सकता है and the opposite of fast is slow. A snail is very slow. और snail कैसी होती है? बहुत धीमी होती है, धीमे चलती है. Okay student, now we will do our textbook's work in page number 32. So take out student your page number 32. Look at in page number 32 punctuation. Read this sentence. It is one tree, but it looks like 100 trees. And the sign is after the sentence is exclamation mark. यानी वो ट्री एक है बट कैसा दिखाई देता है? 100 ट्री यानी 100 ट्रीज 100 पेड़ों के जैसा दिखाई देता है. तो इट इज सरप्राइज फॉर अस. सो फॉर सरप्राइजिंग वी विल यूज दिस साइन. ओके, we use an exclamation mark. This is the exclamation mark at the end of a sentence that shows strong feelings such as joy, surprise or anger. Means जब हमें बहुत ज़्यादा गुस्सा आता है, जब हमें कोई सरप्राइज मिला होता है या हम बहुत खुश होते हैं तो after such like sentences, we will put the exclamation mark. Okay, now we will do its exercise. Use exclamation marks or full stop at the end of these sentences. Means the sentences that are full of joy, surprise or anger. After these sentences we will put exclamation mark, and for the simple sentence we will put full stop. Now look at number 1 sentence. Sumit wants to play carom. It is a simple sentence. There is no surprising or anger or a joy in this sentence. So after this sentence we will put full stop. Now look at number 2 sentence. What a lovely film. Someone is saying what a lovely film. So after this sentence we will put exclamation mark. Now look at number 3 sentence. Oh, look at that pretty butterfly. Someone is very surprising. Someone is very excited, saying, oh, look at that pretty butterfly. It means after this sentence we will put exclamation mark. Now look at sentence number 4. What a funny drawing. It means someone is saying what a funny drawing is. So after this sentence we will put exclamation mark. Now look at sentence number 5. Karan can climb trees. It is a simple sentence. In this sentence someone is saying Karan can climb trees. So because of it is in this sentence there is no surprising, no joy or no anger. So we will put full stop. Okay student. Now take out your worksheet. Students, in your term 1 worksheet, take out its page number 4. Students, in page number 4, there is a work of vocabulary. Means find the words in the box that means the opposite in the meaning to the underlined words. Means there are some underlined words. You will write its opposite here in the given place. Okay, and by this its opposite you will complete these sentences. Okay, it is your homework. Okay student. Now student, we will match our yesterday's homework that was in our worksheet in page number 5. Okay, plant and seed. So correct order of planting a seed is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. First of all, we dig a hole in the soil, then place a seed in the hole, then after cover the seed with the soil, and after it we sprinkle water on the soil, and at the last let the seed in the sun. Okay student. Now take out its page number 6. There is another homework. Students, in page number 6 there is a sequence example and the correct order of 3, 2, 5, 4 and 1. After numbering we will put these sentences in our given place in correct order. Number 1 is get a bowl. Number 1 is get a bowl, full stop. Number 2, get some cereal. Number 3, pour the cereal into the bowl. Number 4 is add some milk. And number 5 is scoop some cereal with a spoon and eat. Okay? It was your yesterday's homework. Now student, we will do our question bank of chapter number 4. Okay? So mention here CW and today's date. Okay? students, look at its question number 1. Where did Sam spend his summer holidays? And do you know where did Sam spend his summer holidays? Yes, I know that you know very well. Sam spent his summer holidays with his aunt and uncle in Shibpur near Kolkata. Now student, we will write this answer here. Sam spent, S-P-E-N-T, spent. Look student, here in our question the helping verb is did. So when we give its answer, because we change its verb into past form. The past form of spend is spent. Sam spent summer holidays with his aunt and uncle in Shibpur, S-H-I-B, Shib, P-U-R, plural, P-U-R, Pur. It is a place name that is where? That is near Kolkata. K-O-L-K-A-T-A, Kolkata. Now, look at number 2 sentence. What happens to the thin hairs on the branches of banyan trees? Now, what happens to the thin hairs? The long thin hairs on the banyan tree were the new roots. When they grow, they will reach the ground and go into the soil. They then become new trunks. Now, we will write this answer here. The long, thin hairs, H-A-I-R-S, hairs on the branches of banyan tree were the new roots. Means जो banyan tree में पतली पतली लंबी लंबे बाल जैसे शाखाओं से निकल रहे थे, वो क्या थे? वो उनके न्यू रूट्स यानी नए जड़ें थे. When they grow, they will reach, R-E-A-C-H, reach the ground, G-R-O-U-N-D, ground. And go into the swell. Then they become, B-E-C-O-M-E, become new trunks, T-R-U-N-K-S, trunks. यानी वे जब बढ़ेंगी तो वो जमीन के अंदर मिट्टी में चली जाएंगी और क्या होगा? देन दे बिकम न्यू ट्रंक्स, और उसके बाद वो नए तने का रूप ले लेंगे. नाउ लुक एट क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. नेम ऑल दोज who were enjoying the comfort of the banyan tree. And do you know who are enjoying the comfort of the banyan tree? Yes, the children are playing around the trees. Some are hanging from the roots. Birds and monkeys were eating juicy fruits. Yani, these all were enjoying the comfort of the banyan tree. Now we will write this answer here. Some children, children, children. Some children, birds and monkeys and some people, P-E-O-P-L-E, people were enjoying, E-N-J-O-Y-I-N-G, enjoying the comfort of the banyan tree. Look student, in this picture, some children are hanging from their roots, some monkeys and some monkeys and birds are eating the juicy fruits, and some people are taking rest under this large tree. It means all these were enjoying the comfort of this banyan tree. Okay, student? Now, student, look at its page number 7. In page number 7, the question is rewrite the incorrect sentences correctly. Here are 5 sentences that are wrong and we will correct it. First of all, look, this is for your homework. I will do only one sentence for example and you will do all 4 sentences. Okay. Now look at number 1. Number 1 sentence is saying every morning Sam and his uncle went for long walks. Is it true? Every morning Sam and his uncle went? No. Every evening Sam and his uncle went for long walks. Okay. So it is wrong sentence. We will write here correct sentence. Every evening, E-V-E-N-I-N-G, evening, comma, Sam and his uncle went for long walks. Now, look at number 2 sentence. The banyan tree was outside the botanical gardens. Is it true? The banyan tree was outside? No, it is incorrect. You will correct it. Okay? Now, look at number 3 sentence. The ripe fruits of banyan tree was yellow in color. Is it true? The fruits are in yellow color? No, the fruits was in which color? You will do this sentence. Okay? You will write the correct answer. Now look at number 4 sentence. The children were eating the fruits of the banyan tree. Is it true, student? The children were eating the fruits? No, it is not correct. So here you will write the correct answer. Now student, look at its sentence number 5. The tree was nearly 150 years old. No, the tree was not 150 years old. It was what? No, I will not say the correct answer. You will do it yourself. Okay? So student, these are your homework in page number said. Hope you will do this work correctly and in very beautiful handwriting. Till then, our next video. Goodbye everyone and take care.